Need to buy cryptocurrency instantly without waiting for bank transfers? In this video, I'll show you how to purchase crypto with your credit card on crypto.com for immediate access to the markets. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Credit card purchases are the fastest way to get cryptocurrency on crypto.com, perfect for when you spot a market opportunity and need to act quickly. Let me show you how it works. First, navigate to the Buy Crypto section in your app. If you haven't already linked your credit card, you'll need to add it first by entering your card details and completing the verification process with your bank. Once your card is linked, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Choose credit card as your payment method when prompted. The app will show you the current exchange rate and any associated fees up front. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. Crypto.com will instantly calculate how much cryptocurrency you'll receive. You can also choose to buy a specific amount of crypto, and the app will show you the required fiat amount. Review the transaction summary carefully before confirming. Pay special attention to the fee breakdown. Credit card purchases typically have slightly higher fees than bank transfers, but offer the advantage of instant access. A crucial pro tip: some credit card companies treat crypto purchases as cash advances, which can incur additional fees and higher interest rates. Check with your card issuer beforehand, and consider using a card that offers crypto purchase rewards or doesn't charge extra fees. And just like that, you've mastered instant cryptocurrency purchases. Credit card buying gives you the speed and flexibility to capitalize on market movements immediately. If this guide helped you understand instant crypto purchasing, please give it a like. Have you found any credit cards that are particularly good for crypto purchases? Share your recommendations in the comments below. To explore some popular altcoins, subscribe for our next video on how to buy Dogecoin on crypto.com. Thanks for watching.